Hi, it's Ash here from UNSW Multimedia and AV Services, here to demonstrate how to use an OBSBOT tracking camera in some CAT spaces. To start your Teams meeting, join as usual by selecting the Join button. Here you'll be directed to choose your video and audio options. You can preview your camera by switching it on here. You can also choose which camera you would like to display. The ceiling mounted camera is the USB Capture SDI Plus. If you would like to use the OBSBOT camera, simply select the options and select OBSBOT Tiny 4K camera. Here you can also select the correct audio device settings, for example, Dante USB. Once you have chosen your correct video and audio options, simply press Join Now. You have now connected to your meetings. Once you're ready to talk, make sure your microphone is unmuted and your camera is on. If you decide to use the OBSBOT camera, it has gesture controls. To start tracking, raise your hand and show all 5 fingers. Once you see the green LED display, you know that it will begin to start tracking. If you would like to disable tracking, simply use the same gesture. Thanks for watching, and please don't hesitate to call 54888 if you experience any technical difficulties.